Lost suitcase.
Hello. Do you work here?
Hello, yes, I'm with baggage services. Do you have a problem?
Yes, I've lost my suitcase.
Oh, I see. Where did you fly from?
From Rome this morning.
And you just arrived in New York.
Exactly. About an hour ago.
Did you wait at the baggage claim?
Yes, but my suitcase never came.
Do you have your baggage claim ticket?
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you. What is your name?
Paul Martin.
Thank you, Mr. Martin. What color is your suitcase?
It's black with a small yellow tag.
Is it big or small?
It's small.
Is there anything on the tag?
Yes, my name and my phone number.
Perfect. I'll check the computer. One moment, please.
Thank you. I hope it's not gone.
Don't worry. Here it is. Your suitcase is still in Rome.
Oh, so what do I do now?
No problem. It will arrive in New York tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Yes, and we will deliver it directly to your hotel.
Great. I'm staying at the Hotel Sun.
Okay, all right, Hotel Sun.
Do I have to come back to the airport?
No, we will call you when the suitcase is here.
Thank you so much. That's very kind.
You're welcome. Do you need anything for tonight?
Yes, I don't even have a toothbrush.
There's a shop over there on the right with everything you need.
Perfect. Thanks again.
Your suitcase is just taking a one-day vacation in Rome.
Yes, it's luckier than I am.
Have a good evening, Mr. Martin, and a great stay in New York.
Thank you. See you soon. Hopefully with my suitcase.
Ordering a taxi. Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. Yes, please. I need a taxi.
No problem. For right now?
Yes, as soon as possible.
Where are you going?
To Grand Central Station.
Okay, do you have a train to catch?
Yes, at 10 o'clock.
It's 8:45 now. You have time, but there's a lot of traffic today.
Oh no. Will I still make it?
Yes, if the taxi comes soon, I'll call right away.
Thank you so much.
You're in room 203, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Do you have luggage?
Yes, one big suitcase and a backpack.
Okay, I'll order a large taxi.
Super. Thank you.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I'm going to Chicago to visit my family.
How nice. The taxi will be here in 10 to 15 minutes.
Perfect. Can I wait in the lobby?
Of course. Make yourself comfortable.
Thanks. Is there a coffee machine here?
Yes, to the left of the elevator.
Great. I need one now.
Coffee and travel always go together.
True. Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, I'll tell the driver.
Great. Thanks for everything.
No problem. My pleasure. The taxi is already here.
Really? That was fast.
It's waiting outside in front of the hotel.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a good trip and a nice day. Buying a gift.
Hello. Can I help you?
Hello, yes, please. I'm looking for a gift.
Sure. Who is it for?
For my sister.
Nice. Is it her birthday?
Yes, exactly. She's turning 25.
What does she like?
She likes simple and beautiful things.
Then maybe a scented candle. They are very popular.
Oh, yes, that sounds good.
Look here. We have lavender, vanilla, or orange.
The vanilla smells very good.
Would you like to smell it?
Yes, please. Oh, I like that.
Great. It costs $12.
Okay, I'll take it.
Would you like anything else? Maybe a small bracelet. This one is silver and very simple.
That looks nice. How much is it?
$20.
Okay, I'll take that too.
Very good choice. Should I gift wrap it for you?
Yes, please.
Are you paying with card or cash?
With a card, please.
Okay, just tap or insert it here. All right, you're all set. Here's your receipt and the gift.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Happy birthday to your sister.
Thanks. I hope she likes it.
I'm sure she will. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too. Goodbye.
Which bus goes to the park? Hello, excuse me.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, please. Which bus goes to the park?
Do you mean Central Park?
Yes, exactly.
Then you're in the right place. You need bus number 12. It goes directly to the park.
Does it come often?
About every 15 minutes.
Do you know when the next one is?
And about 5 minutes.
Perfect. I don't like to wait long.
Me neither. Are you on vacation here?
No, I live here.
Welcome to our city. The park is really beautiful.
Thanks. Is there a lake there?
Yes, a small lake with ducks.
Oh, I really like ducks. Does bus 12 stop right at the entrance?
Yes, right at the main entrance.
Very good.
You can buy a ticket on the bus, but you need exact change.
Good. I have some coins.
Then you're all set. Oh, here comes the bus now.
Yes, I see it. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Have fun in the park.